Based on the passage, which conclusion can be drawn? If we analyze the passage, we can get a message that we need to be out of any kind of obscurity about the difference between a fear-ridden vision of the destiny and the vision that enables us to seek the enemy of fulfillment within ourselves. That is, we have to differentiate the visions to work against the terror of, or fear of destiny and problems are enemies of reaching the fulfillment or goal as get from choice C. Moreover, the passage says that every recurrent anguish, longing, and desire find finds its own special helper, that is natural reactions are to be supported by the perpetual comprehensibility within us inscribed as choice B by making the energy to raise the recurrent desires to be driven onward by them, which will help us to get the special aid from the nature which is also given as choice A. So all the options have been given as positive vibes on the basis of the question and passage. So the correct answers are choice A, B, and C.